Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
Start by parking the Ram 1500 on level ground with the engine off and key removed. Open the hood and identify the negative battery terminal. Disconnect the negative battery cable for at least 15 minutes before starting work to drain residual power. Wear safety glasses and gloves to protect from battery acid and sharp edges during the job. Gather tools including a 10 mm socket, ratchet, and torque wrench. Keep a small container for bolts and 10 to 12 inches of clean cloth nearby. Find the PCM on a Ram 1500 under the glove box or behind the passenger kick panel. Remove the glove box or access panel by releasing 2 screws and lowering the assembly carefully. Identify the PCM rectangular module with multiple wiring harness connectors attached to its face. Unplug the PCM connectors by lifting the locking tabs and pulling straight out with steady force. Remove the PCM mounting bolts with a 10 mm socket and place them in a labeled container for reinstallation later. Handle the PCM by its case only to avoid electrostatic damage to internal circuits. Do not touch connector pins directly. Inspect pins for corrosion or bent contacts before reinstallation. Apply a small amount of dielectric grease to connector seals to protect against moisture and improve contact quality. Reinstall the PCM, hand thread the mounting bolts, and torque them to manufacturer specifications using your torque wrench. Reconnect the negative battery cable, cycle the ignition without starting to.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.